At the 2025 Indodefense exhibition, Southeast Asia's premier defense event, Indonesia's state-owned PAL Indonesia introduced an innovative countermeasure aimed at combating the rising threat of short-range reconnaissance and loitering drones. Specifically targeting drones operated in first-person view, FPV, mode, this new system utilizes a powerful laser designed to impair or disable drone optical sensors. The device resembles a compact grenade launcher, ergonomically crafted for shoulder firing. It includes an adjustable optical sight with magnification from 1x to 4x, allowing operators to swiftly track and engage moving targets. To enhance handling, the power source is detached from the weapon itself and carried separately in a backpack, reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability. The laser generates an output ranging between 750 watts and 2 kilowatts, enough to temporarily blind or even damage the sensor arrays of small commercial or improvised drones. Its effective engagement range spans from 50 to 400 meters, ideally suited for urban combat zones, static defensive positions, and protecting convoys or sensitive installations. The system is designed to target small drones roughly 15 by 20 centimeters in size, dimensions common to FPV drones seen in conflicts such as those in Ukraine and the Middle East. Weighing between 4 and 4.5 kilograms, it remains highly portable for individual soldiers. PAL Indonesia's development signals a shift toward flexible, tactical solutions to counter inexpensive drone threats that have increasingly complicated traditional air defense. Its compact, shoulder-fired design facilitates rapid deployment in forward observation posts and security units operating in complex terrains, without the need for extensive logistics or heavy infrastructure. Historically a builder of naval vessels and maritime defense equipment, PAL Indonesia's venture into directed energy weapons marks an expansion into emerging battlefield technologies. While no formal procurement announcements have been made by the Indonesian military, the system reflects a broader global trend toward integrating laser-based defenses for short-range aerial threats. With minimal export restrictions in parts of Southeast Asia, this technology may find buyers among regional forces seeking lightweight, effective countermeasures against drone swarms. This move highlights evolving military doctrines emphasizing quick, affordable responses to the proliferation of tactical drones. PAL Indonesia's latest laser weapon underscores its commitment to meeting both national and international operational demands in modern warfare's rapidly changing landscape.